In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add missing bank or credit card transactions in QuickBooks Online. We all know how essential it is to have a complete and accurate record of our financial transactions, and sometimes those entries might not all make their way into your accounting system automatically. If that's the case for you, don't worry, we're going to walk through the process step by step to ensure your financial records are as precise as possible and that you're ready for anything from budgeting to tax season. Firstly, let's dive into QuickBooks Online and explore how you can review your bank feed for any missing transactions. Begin by logging into your account. Once inside, head to the left-hand menu and click on Banking, which might also be labeled as Transactions followed by Banking. From there, you'll want to select the specific bank or credit card account where you believe transactions might be missing. This will take you into the For Review tab, and this is where the magic happens. This space shows you any transactions that have been downloaded from your bank but have not yet been added to your books. If the transactions you're looking for appear here, that's great news. Simply select them and proceed to add them to your records. Now, what if the transactions you need aren't in the bank feed? You can still add them manually, and here's how. Locate the plus new button, which is conveniently placed at the top left of your screen. Clicking this will give you a few options where you can choose the appropriate transaction type depending on what you need to add, whether it's an expense, a check, a deposit, or a transfer. Enter all the necessary details such as the date, amount, payee, account, and category. Once you're satisfied that everything is correct, a simple click on Save and Close will finalize the entry. For those of you who find that you're missing a large number of transactions, uploading a bank statement might be the best route to take. Still in the Banking tab, look for and click on Upload Transactions, which is usually near the Link Account button. Be sure that your bank or credit card statement is in a supported format such as CSV, QFX, QBO, or OFX, and go ahead and upload it. You'll need to map the columns as needed during this import process, but once that's complete, you can review and add any imported transactions to your records. Lastly, once you've added transactions, QuickBooks is pretty smart and might suggest matches for those transactions within the bank feed. Spend a little time reviewing these matches and confirm them where applicable. This step is crucial to avoid creating duplicates, which can clutter your records and lead to reconciliation nightmares later on. And there you have it. You've not only added those missing pieces to the financial puzzle, but have also ensured your records are spotless and reliable. Thanks for watching, and I hope now you feel more empowered to keep your financial information in top shape with QuickBooks Online.